Welcome to Puzzle Pals. Are you ready for a silly construction adventure? Boo!
Whoa, look at those funny cat faces on our construction crew. Meow Vroom!
Oh no, our hardworking digger and cement mixer have popped apart. Can you help us find their pieces?
I think the big yellow bucket goes on the tractor. Wait, is that a wheel? Uh-oh, I'm confused!
Don't worry, silly. Let's sort these by size. Everyone, point at the round wheels for me. Click, clack, snap! Watch the hard-working digger come back to life. Vroom, vroom!
Now the cement mixer is spinning its drum. Round and round it goes, mixing up some fun!
Great job, team. Amazing. We have all the pieces in place. They look stronger than ever.
Yay!
Boom! Confetti everywhere. You did it, you super builders. Give yourselves a huge high five.
That was awesome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our next...
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Today we have our hard-working digger buddies ready for a big construction adventure.
Whoa, did a dragon just turn our construction friends into shadows? That's super spooky! What?
Oh no! Look at that sad little kitty. Don't worry, little one. We're going to fix this. Shazam! A magical blue light is bringing our machines back to life. Vroom! They're waking up! It's puzzle time! Can you spot the missing piece for our hard-working orange excavator? Point right at it!
Maybe it's a giant slice of pizza? No? Okay, I'm just kidding. Keep looking, everyone.
Look, our kitty friend is helping us. She's such a clever little helper. Click that piece into place. She's thinking really hard now. Does that square part fit the yellow excavator? Let's count down. 3, 2, 1, snap! We did it! The machines are complete and looking shiny and new. Great teamwork, everyone! You're all master builders! Welcome, Puzzle Explorers! Look at these construction buddies rolling onto our screen! Vroom! Vroom!
Oh no! Our hardworking digger is missing its wheels. Is it supposed to hop like a bunny?
Silly co-host! Excavators need sturdy wheels to travel. Kids, point to the right ones and let's click them into place. Click! Snap! Perfect! Now our digger is ready to roll.
Wait, why is it still sitting there? Maybe it needs giant metal shoes?
Those aren't shoes, they're tracks. They help the digger grip the dirt. Can you help us attach them? 3, 2, 1, Kerchunk! It fits like a glove. Boom! Look at those fireworks. Our hard-working digger is finally ready for the construction site.
You guys are absolute puzzle pros. Yay! Smash that subscribe button and join us for the next big adventure.
Hey there, little heroes. Welcome to the color parade, where our brave police car buddies are gathering for duty. Vroom! Vroom! Vroom!
Oh boy, look at those gray cars. Are they waiting for a party? Maybe they want to be blue, or maybe green.
Not quite silly. Let's match these colorful balloons to our police friends. Can you point to the red balloon for the red car?
I see a yellow one. Is it time to go? 3, 2, 1. Pop, beep, beep.
Watch closely. The cars are changing colors right before our eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Ting! That one is turning bright purple. You are doing amazing! Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 shiny police cars ready for action.
Boom! Fireworks for our puzzle masters. You solved it all. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more fun.
Welcome, puzzle fans! Today we're helping our brave police car buddies find their missing eyes. Vroom vroom! Let's go!
I bet the blue one needs the biggest eye. Wait, does that fit? No way!
Quick! The timer is ticking. 3, 2, 1! Match them fast!
Go!
Oh no, a red warning sign. That piece is definitely not the right match. Silly!
Oops, my mistake. Let's try that again. Maybe this one clicks into place?
Ting! Perfect! Look how happy our police cars look now that they can see clearly again.
Wow, fireworks! Boom! You guys are absolute puzzle masters for solving that so quickly.
High five, everyone! Thanks for playing along with us today. See you in the... Whoa! Boom! Welcome to the beach, puzzle fans! Are you ready to help our brave police cars?
I hope they brought their swimsuits. Vroom! Let's get this mission started.
Look at those mysterious silhouettes. Can you guess which police car hides in the shadows?
Is it a giant pizza delivery car? No way. Definitely a super speedy police cruiser.
Not quite. Let's find the matching parts. Point to the screen and help us pick the right one.
Oops, that wheel doesn't fit. Try again, super sleuths. 3, 2, 1, search.
Don't worry, even heroes makes mistakes. Let's look closer at the shape. Does that curve match?
Oh, God! Maybe this one? Wait, that's a tractor car. Silly me. Keep looking, everyone.
Click! Yes, that piece fits perfectly. You are doing amazing work, detectives. Another one locked in. Our brave police car is starting to look super shiny now.
Look at!
We are on a roll. Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Found the siren. Beep, beep. Does this go on the roof? You tell me.
That's exactly right. You have such a sharp eye. Only a few more pieces left to snap into place. Final piece coming in. Snap. The brave police car is finally ready for duty.
Boom! They look so cool! I wish I had a police car that could drive on the sand.
You solved it! Give yourselves a huge round of applause. You superstars! Look at those fireworks! Pop! Bang! Our police friends are celebrating your victory!
You were incredible today! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more puzzle fun. See you next time.
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Today we're meeting our super construction crew on the job.
Hey! Vroom, vroom! Hello. Look at our mighty digger and his heavy-duty friends ready to roll. Whoa! That was a giant kaboom of dust. Are you okay, Trucks?
Everything is all mixed up. Can you spot the shadows of our hard-working digger, road roller, and dump truck? Point your finger at the screen and help us find where these shapes belong.
Is the dump truck supposed to go there? No, that looks like a silly mistake.
Keep trying, friends. Let's match the right shape to the right vehicle. You can do it. Click, perfect. The digger fits right into his shadow. Great matching.
You found them all. 3 cheers for our construction team. Hip hip hooray!
Look, a giant surprise visitor. It's a Spinosaurus coming to join the party. The cats are dancing to celebrate our win. Fantastic job, Puzzle Masters.
High fives all around. See ya next for more.
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Can you spot the sneaky robbers in their van? Let's go.
Oh no, they crashed. Did the police car catch a butterfly instead? Oops, silly me.
Boom! That was a big collision. But look, our kind rescue truck is here to save the day. Time for a checkup. Point your finger at the screen to help the brave police car into the garage. Wrench, hammer, bolt! Let's count the parts. 1, 2, 3. Can you find the missing wheel? Look at him shine! Our police buddy is looking brand new thanks to your help, super detectives.
Yay!
Is he ready for duty? Yes, he is. Vroom vroom, off he goes to keep the city safe.
Confetti time! You solved the puzzle perfectly. Give yourselves a big high five. You're all legends. See you next time. Hey there, Puzzle Explorers. Welcome to our big construction adventure. Are you ready to build?
Whoa, look at those massive rollers. Are they going to paint the desert, Jose?
Not quite, silly. These are road rollers, and they help flatten the ground to make it nice and smooth for building. Time to play! Can you spot the missing pieces for our hard-working road rollers? Point right at them.
I see a big round drum. Is that a giant pizza topping? Maybe for the rollers to snack on?
Haha, nice try. But that's actually the heavy roller drum. Our prickly cactus friend is here to help us snap it into place.
Whoa, look
Look at
at!
that perfect fit. Now help me count the wheels, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Vroom vroom, we are adding the cab now. Imagine driving this big machine across the sand.
You're doing amazing, team! Just a few more pieces left to make our rollers super strong and ready for work.
Boom! They are finished. Look at those beautiful shiny road rollers ready for action.
Fantastic job, everyone! You've mastered the construction site today. Give yourselves a giant high five and keep on building! Welcome, Puzzle Explorers! Get ready for a supersized mystery mission. Look at that big shadow! It's a mighty tanker truck waiting for its engine.
3.
I bet it's a giant pink one. Pink is definitely the fastest color, right?
Not quite, my funny friend. Let's count down and see who can find the perfect match. 3, 2, 1, go! Touch the screen and pick the right cab for our tanker. Whoops! That purple cab is too small. Try again, kids!
Maybe the orange one. No? Oh man, that red X is so grumpy.
Keep going. Is it the pink one? Nope, try another color. Look at that penguin cheering you on! Don't give up now!
Wait, is that the yellow one? Yes, it fits perfectly. Click!
Vroom vroom! Our mighty tanker is finally complete and glowing bright. You did it, superstars! Hit that subscribe button for more puzzles. Hey there, puzzle explorers! Welcome to our big forest adventure. Are you ready to solve some mysteries?
Whoa, look at those giant mountains. I bet there are secret treasures hidden behind those trees.
Oh no, a fallen tree is blocking the path. Don't worry, our hard-working digger is here to save the day.
Vroom vroom. The road is clear now. Can you wave goodbye to the minivan and the black SUV as they zoom by?
Look at that magnetic arm go! Our digger friend is lifting the gray minivan with ease. So strong! Incredible work! You helped us clear the whole road today, team. You are all puzzle-solving superstars! See you next time! Vroom vroom! Look at those 3 monster bikes roaring across the bridge!
Whoa, where did they go? They've turned into mysterious shadows in the garage.
Hold on to your hats, everyone. It's a magical power-up sequence. Zap pow! Okay, team. These monster bikes need their wheels back. Can you spot the missing parts?
Is that a square wheel? No way, buddy. It has to be round to roll.
Amazing.
Great eye. Point to the screen and help us snap that gear into place. Click.
Oh, yeah!
One more wheel to go. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3.
Boom! The final piece is in. Look at those amazing monsters shine.
Yes! Sitting in metal positions, can they bump up and take that lead away from Josh Sheehan? This is Rob Adelberg.
I just think when this run is all said and done, because Rob has a really good flow around the
Check
course,
out
doesn't
those
get behind,
fireworks.
very open.
You did a fantastic job helping our bike friends get ready for the road.
Whoa, look at that real-life rider go. Those stunts are super high flying.
And watch out, he's also got that double backflip in his arsenal as well.
That was such a great trick.
And both of these guys are lucky to do it right out of the gate. There's the double. So you're
Practice to come out with a front flip, right into a double backflip. You've got to calm yourself down.
But it was the 5-time best win gold medalist Jared McNeil that was on point from start to finish. And he comes out of this one as the top qualifier going into the medal round. The man of the hour in the last round, Jared McNeil. In the first round, he was on that top spot, but nobody was able to bounce.
You guys are absolute puzzle champions today. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you on the next big adventure. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, look at this mysterious shape appearing in the clouds. Can you guess who our jolly garbage truck friend is today?
Ooh, is it a giant toaster? I bet it's a giant toaster on wheels.
Silly, it's a garbage truck and it keeps our streets sparkling clean. Let's help snap those heavy wheels into place. Ready? Click! Vroom vroom! Time to attach the big container. Can you point your finger at the screen and help us guide it home?
I'm pushing the cab. Is it locked in? Did I get it right?
Our jolly garbage truck is fully assembled and ready to roll. Great job, team. Let's celebrate with a big cheer and some confetti. Beep, beep. Hooray!
Yay!
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Meet our hard-working digger, a mighty dump truck, and the speedy cement mixer. Vroom, vroom. Let's start the engine.
Oh no, why is that face so sad? Did he lose his favorite toy? Don't worry, we're here to help.
Look at these empty shadows on the road. Can you help me find where our pink backhoe belongs? Point your finger at the screen.
I think the blue dump truck goes there. Nope. No, wait, that's definitely the yellow cement mixer. Am I right?
Like so. That shadow is for our hard-working digger. Let's slide it in together. Click. Perfect fit. Oh no! Now, where does the mighty dump truck go? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Slide it into the last spot. You did it. All our vehicle friends are back on the road. Beep, beep. Hooray!
Boom! Fireworks for our puzzle test kids. Smash the subscribe button if you had fun. See you in the next big adventure.
Hey there, puzzle explorers. Welcome to our big construction site. Who's ready to build some amazing machines?
Oh look, everything is missing its top. I bet the bulldozer lost its hat. Vroom, vroom! Go!
Let's be detectives. We need to match these cabin parts to our hardworking friends. Can you point to the crane?
Whoopsie! That piece is way too big for our little mixer friend. Try again, everyone.
Dance time. Look at our character go. Move your shoulders and wiggle your fingers to the beat. Kids. Click. That fits perfectly. Our hard-working digger is finally ready to scoop up some dirt.
Nope.
Great job!
Beep, beep! Here comes our gentle bus friend cruising down the road. Where do you think they are going?
We're on a roll now. Let's find the last piece for our mighty truck. Focus! Team focus! Look at those wheels spin. Our green truck and yellow truck are having so much fun on their journey. We did it! Every vehicle is complete and looking shiny. You all are master builders. Give yourselves a huge high five. Welcome, everyone. It's time for our super-powered excavation puzzle party. Look at these mighty construction friends. Which one is your favorite?
I bet the big magnet one is the strongest. Watch me try to lift a mountain.
Actually, he is for metal, not mountains. Kids, can you help us find the right shadow for our hardworking excavator? Point your finger at the screen. Does the crane fit in this spot? Click.
Whoa, look at that amphibious digger go. It's swimming like a fish.
Excavator
Splash!
amphibious.
That's right.
Excavator
It uses its
amphibious.
special tracks to travel through water and mud. Amazing, right? Time for round 2. Can you spot where the magnet excavator hides? 3, 2, 1.
No, 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 no.
Found it! You guys are puzzle masters. Vroom vroom, it slides right into place.
Excavator pile driver.
Thump, thump, thump.
Excavator
That pile driver is super strong, pushing deep into the ground. We did it! Every piece is home. Let's clap our hands together for a job well done!
Yay! You are all construction geniuses. Beep beep!
Excavator magnet. Excavator magnet.
Check out the crane lifting those heavy pipes. Up, up, and away!
Excavator crane. Excavator
And the magnet
crane.
is clearing the scrap metal. It's like magic. Zoom!
You were incredible today. Thanks for building with us. See you next time for more fun. Welcome to the Ultimate Construction Site Challenge, little builders. Are you ready to match these mighty machines?
Vroom vroom! Check out that giant wrecking ball and the super strong dump truck. Let's get to work!
Time for our shadow puzzle. Can you spot which silhouette belongs to our hardworking excavator?
I think it goes here. Wait, is that a giant crab? No way, that's not a construction vehicle.
Oh, silly. Mr. Krabs is definitely not a dump truck. Let's try again, friends. Look closely at the shapes.
Whoa, look at that excavator go! Crash! It's tearing down that wall like
Excavator
magic.
wrecking
So
ball.
powerful.
Excavator wrecking ball.
Back to the puzzle. We need to fit our forklift and the excavator into their matching spots. Ready? Go!
Hey, why is Squidward popping up? Get out of the way. We're trying to match this forklift.
Look at that giant magnet.
Excavator magnet.
It picks up heavy metal just like a
Excavator
superhero.
magnet.
How many pieces can it lift? Almost there. Let's slide that big yellow dump truck into its shadow. 3, 2, 1, click! See how the forklift zooms around the warehouse? It carries heavy boxes, so we don't have to. You did it! Perfect match. Give yourselves a huge round of applause, you amazing puzzle masters.
Look at that massive haul truck in the quarry. It's the biggest truck I've ever seen. What a way to finish our day.
You were all fantastic today. Keep building, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next puzzle adventure. Bye for now. Welcome, Puzzle Pals. Our hardworking digger is on a mission to move this big pile of dirt. Vroom, vroom.
Oh no! Did our truck just get a tummy ache? Everything is going bananas.
Whoa, look at that red siren. It's time for a major repair rescue, everyone. Let's rebuild our mighty truck friend. Can you spot where the sturdy frame goes? Point to the screen.
I
I bet the wheels go on the roof. Am I right? No? Okay, they go on the bottom. Got it.
Great job spotting the cabin. Now our mighty truck has a cozy place for the driver. Click! It fits! Grab your imaginary tools! Let's tighten those bolts together. Turn your hand like this. Turn, turn, turn!
He's using a super fast drill. Almost ready for the road again.